Hey traders, I want to do a stock market update for you on the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow. We'll also look at the transportation average as well too. And let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into it. So the common theme that I've been seeing with the actual markets itself have been, and most people have been, continue to say this market's going to go down, the market's going to go down when the market's going up. Okay, and I did a video yesterday saying don't fight the market. And for you guys that know, I've been saying this to the cows come home, right? You guys know when this red arrow with this pink arrow here, this is when I went big. This is when I went in SPY big time for long term, or in December options for the SPY, and we're probably going to get a rise out of this. So my options right now are looking really, really nicely right now on all the trades that I got into at that time, right? But look at this here, okay? So the S&P is starting to rise, but we're now developing some form of a very nice channel. Look at this here. It's just wanting to continue to slowly go up, right? Nice little higher low, breaking past previous highs, and now we're just slowly rising up. So until this changes, guys, I would not want to be fight it, okay? Go with the market. Don't fight the market. Right now, the market is starting to step back up. And until we start to, until, or if we do start to break down, that's when you say, okay, momentum is likely to change. But but if we stay above this line through here, and you can see how that on a short-term basis, what this line through here, right? So you can see how we've got a support, and then it broke up out of this resistance here, right? Look at that squeezing of the triangle pattern and breaking out. Not only are we breaking up and now stair-stepping higher, but now we've got a triangle breakout to the upside as well too. It's very, very, very powerful. Same for the Nasdaq as well too, right? We had actually the Nasdaq actually had, let me just delete that off the screen and let me just make it very simple for you. We can see how the Nasdaq actually had a major level of support level through here, came down, found a support, broke up, found support on the top of this trend line. That's what people say, oh, charts don't work. Yeah, bull. Absolutely bull. We just got to follow it, right? Look at this here. Higher low on the trend line. Nice little update. Look at it here, just slowly cooling up. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to happen every day. We will get our down days and stuff like that. But right now, what's happening? Right now, we're starting to get what? See how we're starting to really start to form some form of an up move? So even if we did get a bit of a down move, I see this thing continue to rally up and be quite nice from here. And same for the Dow Jones. Look at this here. Very, very, very nice movement to the upside. We've got a very nice movement now from this low point here to this point through here. We had this resistance point through here. So this is like this whole level through here. 21 to 22 was a major level of resistance for the Dow, and we're breaking back above it. And now we're still holding back above it right now. So again, I definitely do see a lot more upside to come, and I definitely see this Dow is probably likely to run back up and close this gap up here on the Dow Jones. We can see it through there. Look at it stepping up from there. Looking onto the transportation average, same sort of thing, right? We got a bit of a double bottom through here. Now we're actually starting to, should I say, and now we're starting to rise up through there as well too, right? So we're starting to really form, look at this sort of bottoming pattern through here right now. We are starting to slowly step up. Even though we've got a down, we've been gapped up and closed lower. Notice how the market's still making these high lows on the bar. Same for the Russell 3000, exact same formation, right? We can see how it actually came down, found a bottom. Let me actually just delete that off this. What's that level through there? That was actually a major, this here was actually a major level of support back here, right, on that weekly chart. Even on the daily chart, look at this here. Flashed down, came back up, and now look what's happening, right? We're starting to do what? We're starting to create some form of an upward channel right now. So, guys, as you know, and as you know for the last month, I not only have I been saying, but I've been putting my money where my mouth is, that you guys know, right? And once again, I say that on this day through here, I loaded up long time on call options, and the SPY, and also two other stock, and one other stock as well too. And I've since gone into another stock as well, which was JP Morgan and Apple. We're starting to rise very, very nicely out of this here, right? And so, same for the Russell 3000. We're probably on our way up to close this gap here. Guys, we're not going to go up every day, right? We're going to get some pullbacks, right? We're going to get our down days. But once again, we're probably likely to rally back up and then keep rallying back up to close this massive gap up the top here. Again, I've been saying this now for the last month. I don't see these gaps being unfilled. And same for even the, look at this here, right? It's just it's so fascinating. Look at this here. Now we're starting to break up and out of this level through here. Nice little higher low breaking up. Look what happened today. Bam! Russell 2000. First gap closed. Second gap around the 140. And now the third gap around that 165 level. Here we come. All right. Very, very, very. There's a lot of strength now coming into these markets here. A lot of strength, a lot of buying activity. Again, we're not going to go up every day, but the overall trend, is like, here comes the boom, right? Here comes the boom. Here comes the boom. The market's starting to rise and we're starting to see some very, very, very nice movement to the upside. So guys, leave a comment below. Right now, I'm actually in JP Morgan right now. So I'm long JP Morgan, have been now for about a month. And I'm also still long, and I got in down here on Apple. So I'm long Apple, I'm long JP Morgan, and I'm long the SPY as well too for my long-term investing, right? My long-term investing positions, and my private clients have a short-term trade. There was a short-term trade I got out of today for a 40% profit. That's following a trading system, right? That's more like a cash flow sort of income. In yesterday, out today, 1 day trade, 40% profit. Thank you very much. Cash flow. And these other trades here I'm sharing with you, they're more longer term. Some people say that, how does this guy trade? Guys, I don't share my trades with you. My actual trade, because I follow a trading system, right? That's what it's all about. I follow a trading system that most of the time generates a nice cash flow, just like today, 40% profit. Thank you very much. I trade 1 hour a day, and that's all I do. Okay, but these other positions, Apple, JP Morgan, SPY, these longer term positions where, they have to make a nice rally by the end of this year, and it's already starting to happen. That's what I'm in right now. So Apple, JP Morgan are some of the trades that I'm personally actually in. Not saying I like it, but I'm actually in. Leave a comment below, guys. Let me know what stock you actually like or what index you like the best and why you like that. I'd be really, really interested to see what you guys think. Hey traders, I am giving away a free trial to my Master Trader Lab monthly program. Now, in the Master Trader Lab, every month I do a live session. I do some education. At the end of the session, you can ask me questions, and that way I can help you help you with what's going on right now. Also, you can join our Master Trader Lab mastermind where you and all the other traders can link together. And in that mastermind, I also can share some education throughout the week, some updates, some thoughts, and so on and so forth in that mastermind as well too. So, and also every single month, I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and helping you become what I call a master trader. That's a well-rounded trader. Now, also, as part of this amazing little thing that I'm doing right now, you also can get access to free access as part of this special here that I'm running to all my trading courses: Foundations, Chart Reading Mastery, Advanced Chart Reading Mastery, Trading Systems, 7-Figure Secrets, the Warren Buffett Success Formula. You're going to love that. And so much more. So if you go to mastertraderlab.com, you can see if you qualify to get access to this. And if you do get access to that, then you'll be able to see all the details of that. Once again, you're going to get free access to all that. It's a bit of a bribe to get you to try out the Master Trader Lab monthly. And I'm also giving you away a free trial right now. So I'm only doing that for a very select number of people. Once I get to a certain number of people that I'm very happy with, then the free trial goes away, all the bonus trading courses goes away, and the price goes up. So go to mastertraderlab.com right now to get all the details, to get free access to all my trading courses as a bit of a bribe, and also activate your free trial today to test it all out. And if you're not happy, let me know and you'll never be billed. Go to mastertraderlab.com and I'll see you there.